In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Asana. This skill will be a game changer for managing your projects more efficiently. By setting dependencies, you can effectively track tasks and their relationships, ensuring a smooth workflow. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to head over to the Asana website. Open up your web browser and type in the URL, or just search for Asana using your favorite search engine. Once on their homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to sign in, so go ahead and select Continue with Google if you prefer the convenience, and choose your account from the list provided. If you're already logged in elsewhere, this might even go faster. After successfully logging into your account, it's time to locate your project. On the Asana dashboard, everything you need is conveniently organized in the left panel. Browse through the list of projects and select the one where you wish to add a task dependency. Clicking on your chosen project will open it up, displaying all related tasks laid out beautifully, just waiting for you to tweak them. With your project open, find the task for which you want to set a dependency. Once located, go ahead and click on it. This will open the task pane, revealing all options and details associated with that task. You'll notice there are various tabs or sections in this pane, and one of them is dedicated to dependencies, our focus for today. Now, to add a dependency to your task, locate and click on the Add Dependencies button. This button is your gateway to connecting tasks logically based upon how they relate within your workflow. Asana allows you to set up tasks in a sequence or order, creating a visual representation of which tasks are critical to complete before others can begin. Once you've clicked on Add Dependencies, you'll be prompted to choose a task to connect as your dependent. This part is crucial as it links tasks in a manner that clarifies that one cannot commence until the other is completed. Choose wisely for the efficiency of your project. The aim here is to streamline the process and ensure that there are no unnecessary holdups. And there you have it. A quick yet comprehensive guide to creating dependencies in Asana. As you continue using these skills, your project management tasks will become easier, offering a clearer picture of how tasks interconnect. This can significantly improve your team's efficiency and focus. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring more features in Asana to enhance your productivity. Happy project managing!